Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Roblox error code 403 authentication failed. So while you are playing Roblox and you encounter this kind of error, then let's go quick into the process on how we can fix this. In the Windows search bar right here, type task mgr, which stands for task manager. Simply click on it under the best match. So we are going to completely close any Roblox processes here in the task manager. So in the search bar, type Roblox so that we can easily find it. Now you'll find Roblox game client, make a right click, select end task. Now after you have completely closed Roblox from here, then you just need to simply close this window and then try to launch Roblox if it is working this time. But still if it isn't, go to the next method. In the Windows search bar, type ncpa.cpl. It's ncpa.cpl control panel item. Simply click on that. Now here in the network connections window, you need to locate your connection. It could be Ethernet or Wi-Fi. The process is just the same. So simply make a right click. Then you have to select properties. Now the properties window will appear. Then you have to click on the Internet Protocol version 4, this one. Then you have to click on properties and another window will appear. So here you'll find this option. Use the following DNS server addresses. So for the preferred DNS server, type here 8.8.8.8, and for the alternate DNS server, type here 8.8.4.4. So this is the Google's DNS, one of the greatest DNS. Simply click on OK. Close this windows. And for the next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type CMD, which stands for command prompt. Then you have to click on run as administrator in the right pane so that you will be given administrative privileges in running the command. So type here, just simply follow me, NATSH space winsock space reset. It's NATSH space winsock space reset, hit enter. Next command, ipconfig space forward slash flush DNS. It's ipconfig space forward slash flush DNS, hit enter. Now successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache, type exit, hit enter. And then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Then press the Windows key and letter R button together for the next method. Type here percentage local app data percentage. It's percentage local app data percentage. Then you have to click on OK. And this window will appear. Now simply look for the Roblox folder. Once you find that, make a right click, select delete. So this is the cache. So we have just deleted the cache. Then for the final method, if the issue keeps persisting, then we can reinstall the application. So click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply click on the apps, installed apps. Then here you'll find Roblox. Simply click on the three dots, select uninstall, and then uninstall once again. And we need to reinstall it, so simply open any of the browser that you have on your Windows under the best match. Simply click on that. Then type in the search bar roblox.com forward slash download. Hit enter. And you'll find this button, download Windows app. Click on that. Now the installer file will be downloaded. Simply click on that and close the browser. And this will reinstall Roblox for you. So we just have to wait for this in a while. So now this has reinstalled Roblox into your window. So from here, just simply click on sign in and sign in with your account and continue enjoying the Roblox game. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.